Hello, we will be presenting Ford Motor Company supply chain strategy. We are Group 3. Our group members are Scott, Cioceline, Manoj, Brian, and Nancy. Our presentation will follow the outline on this slide. Each topic will be addressed by a member of our group. Let's start with the general issues. In 1903, Henry Ford incorporated the Ford Motor Company. Its strategic focus on automobile design and manufacturing is what led it to be the second largest industrial corporation in the world. Its biggest competitors were GM and Chrysler, but in 1970, foreign competition led to overcapacity in the market. In 1995, Ford introduced the Ford 2000 initiative. It aimed to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Two key points of this initiative were first, to take advantage of economies of scale in purchasing and manufacturing by consolidating North American, European, and international automobile operations. Second, re-engineering of several key company processes, including order to deliver and Ford production system. In 1995, Ford launched its company intranet. This site was followed by a company-wide intranet and a retail network in 1998. Next, we will identify the key stakeholders of Ford's supply chain strategy. Internal stakeholders are those who are directly impacted by the Ford 2000 initiative. Those include board members, executives, employees, specifically those in these three departments: production, purchasing, and IT. And lastly, Tier 1 suppliers. External stakeholders are those who are indirectly impacted by this initiative. Those include shareholders, suppliers, creditors, customers, competitors, and the government. Next, we will take a look at the theory and concepts behind this initiative.
Theory and concept with the three parts. First part is value. 4 is improving the supply chain effectiveness. Increase in the customer responsiveness. Reduce working capital. Reduce stale inventory. Realize economics of scale. Second part is concept. For virtual integration, global approach, Tier 1 suppliers, push-pull system, order to delivery, synchronous material flow. Three part is the capabilities for technology, infrastructure, international teamwork, evaluate partners, reduce working capital, reduce stale inventory. Symptoms and problems. 3 symptoms. First, exist home auto market. Problem for many foreign-based automakers in the market. So decision criteria for market presence, enhancing customer experience and quality. Second, initiate OTD, order to delivery. Problem for long delivery time and cycle. Challenge in obtaining reliable forecast. So decision criteria for reducing OTD from 60 days to 15 days. Lastly, complex supplier network. Problem for too many suppliers. Not cost effective. Trying to accommodate all suppliers. So decision criteria for reduce supplier from current over 1,000. Build the relationship with Tier 1 suppliers.
Hello, I'm Manoj from Group 3 and I'm going to cover alternatives and evaluation criteria for this case. In order to achieve efficiency through the use of information technology and to accomplish this goal, we look for 3 alternatives. First, do nothing and maintain the current business model as it is. Second, use the online-offline hybrid model. Third, apply virtual integration model. When we look for a first alternative, this alternative seems to be efficient, low risky, and no changes needed for the existing system or the processes to change. However, with no changes, existing issue will remain there. Also, the option lead to the high inventory cost. Second alternative, go with the hybrid online offline model, this option beneficial for some customers, not for all the customers, and this is more beneficial for those prefer online purchasing. However, this option will be a costly one. And at the same time, competition will be there in the market. With the last option, apply virtual integration utilizing information technology. By doing so, it will help improving efficiency by reducing order to delivery time from 60 days to 15 days and help reducing the obsolete inventory. So I think this option will be a more beneficial for Ford to choose. Thank you.
We felt that the best solution for Ford would be IT integration, which would help to streamline the supply chain and improve efficiencies. The implementation plan is outlined in the table below, and these tasks are not long-term but can be completed within a year.
Hello, this is Brian from group number 3. I'm going to cover the evaluation and review of the project for Ford Motor Company case study. Virtual integration implementation has allowed the Ford Motor Company to become more efficient in their supply chain, responding to customer needs in real time while lowering their cost of holding inventories. And by deploying the Ford production system, synchronized materials flow, and inline vehicle sequencing, Ford Motor Company is able to seamlessly deliver just-in-time products to their vast Ford retail network while communicating instantaneous information to all their level 1, 2, and 3 suppliers. The efficiency achieved through this project has allowed the company to narrow their needed suppliers by 25%, while better meeting the needs of customers through greater company control at the retail level and using a pull process mentality. The Ford retail network continues to grow, allowing the company to standardize ordering systems and how information flows from the time the order is placed to delivery of customer-specified new vehicles. Current status update for the Ford Motor Company is that profits continue to soar as they were able to create a more efficient supply chain by integrating virtually all components of the order fulfillment process. In addition, their order to delivery times have been reduced to 15 days, allowing customized vehicles to be quickly delivered for increased overall customer satisfaction. The efficiency achieved by the company has been seamless and allowed for stakeholders to see satisfying growth and expansion and profit margins. The company is looking to the future by using blockchain technology and supply chain automation to continue their efficiency efforts. This will allow Ford Motor Company to lower their order to delivery times by even greater amounts going forward.